On the next episode of Food is Love.
I wanted to do more than open a restaurant. I wanted to create a neighborhood.
This is Ben Purimba, visionary chef, serial restaurateur, and all-around Renaissance man. On this corner alone, he has his hand in a half a dozen different businesses, including his restaurants, Elaia Olio and Nixta, each offering a unique dining experience to attract new blood to the neighborhood. And it's working. An immigrant originally from Israel, Ben has a strong tendency towards the old ways, tempered with a progressive ambition that is used to almost single-handedly bring a forgotten slice of St. Louis back to life.
We opened 3 restaurants in 3 months.
At the center of it all, you guessed it, food.
Don't miss the next episode of Food is Love.
Cheers.